Hi everyone, it's Nicole, and I thought I'd bring you a haul that I got. It's probably been a week and a half since I got it in, but I just haven't had a chance to film. And it's from Simon Says Stamp, and I got a few more embellishments. So from Pink Fresh Studio, I got Let Your Heart Decide, and it's all these enamel or epoxy hearts stickers. I got those before, but I used them all up. So I thought where they still had some, I was going to get them. Then there's a brand new collection from Pink Fresh Studio that's called Journal Bits. And it is some journaling cards, some little envelopes, and some tags. Super cute. Now, some puffy stickers, puffy frames, and there is some other embellishments in there too from the Noteworthy collection. Then this is also from the Noteworthy collection. There's some mini puffy alphas, all different colors, kind of springish. And then there's bigger alphas, which I love. Then some cardstock stickers, again from the Noteworthy collection. Super cute. I love that there's, some round stickers, some labels, some words, a big variety. And then some mixed embellishments from the same collection. Again, there's epoxy stickers, there's wood buttons, and then there's like 3D stuff. And there is some enamel dots. Now the last thing is some ephemera. There's 54 pieces. I'll just flip it over so you can take a look at everything that's there. So that's super cute. I love the colors. Then the last time I ordered, I said I wanted to get some more of these. They're the snow globe elements from Pink Fresh Studio, Home for the Holidays, because they're so cute, and I thought they'll be cute. I'll use one set this year for my December daily. Yes, there's still going to be some videos for my December daily. Maybe one a week until it's done. And I thought I could use one for next year. So I'll use 6 for this year, 6 for next year. Then I got a few things from Dear Lizzy. I didn't get any papers. I just got some embellishments. So these puffy stickers, what are they called? BU. They're like foam stickers. They're super cute. Then there's these right here. It just says Dear Lizzy die cut shapes. I don't know what the name of the new collection is. I have no idea. But it's super cute. Then from Amy Tangerine, I just got the die cuts. Because I noticed that that's what I'm running low of. Like my drawers with the die cuts, they were running low. So I'm just stocking up on some die cuts. And then this is from their Dear Lizzy collection. Again, a bunch of stickers. And Dear Lizzy collection, some die cut packs. I love this with all the labels, the journaling cards, all kinds of little birds. And then this is from the Dear Lizzy collection again, and these are die cut shapes. So there's quite a bit of frames and stuff. So these are cute. Just a few more things. We go camping a lot. So there was this collection from Simple Stories, Happy Trails. So I got that, and it comes with a sheet of stickers. What else? 6x12 chipboard and some die cuts, which is cool. Let me see if I can get these out. So there's the 6x12 chipboard. And they're called Bits and Pieces. So those are different than these one here. I did end up getting a second pack just because I use them a lot. I just like everything in there. So I did get an extra pack. So I'll just have extra goodies. I just like everything in there. I like the tag. I like the, the words, the embellishments. So, and then these are called journaling bits and pieces, and these are different. So let me just open this up and just to show you the pattern papers quickly. So I love a big sticker sheet like this because you get so much use out of this, and I'll be using that up for sure. So there's some 4x6 cards, some clouds, some 4x4 cards. So I'll probably use a combination of both. And then this is like a starry night. Some more cut aparts, some hiking ones. Ooh, I like this. Tons of little, so I'll probably cut it in two and use some of the cards and some of this. I like this side with the trees. I like this side with the paw prints. Mosquitoes. Don't like them so much, but this side is a little busy, so I'll probably just use that side. And then some yellow flowers. And then some kind of mountains. Map paper. Campground or camping. Pulling your trailer. I like this background. Oh, that's not the back side to it. This is the back side. I'll probably use that because I really like that background. I like this with the blue and the fish. I like this too, so probably use a little bit of both. And then I got the orange. Ooh, I like that. Probably a little bit of both. I like this as a background. So yeah, this, I'll probably use this as a background because this is just a little too busy for me. And that's the whole collection. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I decided to get a little bit more to get me through the next year. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.